kami sa Thai Chic you're actually buying street food kami ngayon. There you go. Sila yung mga may-ari, oh. Ay, asan na? Ay. Ayan, tsaka yan. So, yan yung mga fried foods. Tubig-tubig. Yes. Set yung mga boiled milk. So, stay tuned. Dahil pa kami pabalik sa shop. Bye! Tada! Let's go! So, bibiyahin na po kami. Pabalik ngayon sa shop. Ayan o. Sunod-sunod pang stores ng fruits and veggies. Ano ba? For fruits. Uy, may humarang na. So, medyo naharangan mo yung ride namin. Here we are on the road doing this upon a day. We're going on a ride and it's on a holiday. Yeah. Alright, so pabalik na po kami sa shop. Stay tuned. So, dumayo pa po kami all the way from Centro to Thai Chic area. Just to get this special quality food, you know. Alam mo naman to sila, Bebchi. Quality foods they all know. Look at that. Dito yung, ay, doon yung sinasabi yung jogging, pinakamasarap na churpapaw. Next time. Oh, PM ni Papa.